Great. Tell us about Spark Microsystems EVK.
Yeah, so the EVK is a pretty simple construct. You get two boards which you can purchase, and essentially they link to each other, and you can chug data across from one to the other. We have the ability for you to configure the data rate, configure the latency, configure all the parameters of the chip, so that you can see, okay, what does this chip do in my data requirement?
Yeah.
And we also have a funny, I would say, or a fun feature where there's also an analog audio jack on each. And you can decide to stream audio that's uncompressed. Okay, uncompressed audio is something only a wire does, and we do it. And you could use this to stream movies if you want after you purchased it and you're done evaluating. But that allows you to get a very palpable latency, robustness feel for the technology.
Yeah.
And it comes with two boards and a nice graphic user interface, and everything works seamless out of the box.
So the beauty of this EVK is to absolutely look at how you move data from one to the other and see the difference. If just in the perfect example, that was connected with a wire, what would be the difference in all the kind of data you're trying to move, all the kind of power you're going to use, and all the latency that you want to avoid. This very simple EVK will enable you to evaluate that straight away and see the Spark Microsystems in real time, in real life with your application.
Exactly, with nice graphs of all the parameters. Engineers love to look at in real time. So perfect for someone who likes the telemetry as well.
Excellent.
Thank you, guys.
Go and get a demo kit. Thank you.